Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread taste like cake. Start by swapping part of the cornmeal for cake flour and adding extra sugar to taste. Mix in sour cream and melted butter for richness, and beat eggs until fluffy to introduce air. Fold gently to keep the batter light, then bake at a slightly lower temperature to preserve moisture and avoid a crusty top. Focus on flavor to push cornbread toward cake territory by adding vanilla and a touch of salt to wake up the sweetness. Stir in creamed corn or whole sweet kernels for extra moisture and texture that reads as dessert-like. After baking, finish with a thin glaze or a light dusting of powdered sugar to enhance sweetness without overpowering corn flavor, resulting in a moist, tender slice that feels like cake. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy baking tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping crumbs off your floors, with voice control and smart mapping to clean while you bake. It even navigates under counters, so you worry less about mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To get a cake-like texture, lower the oven temperature and reduce bake time so the crumb stays moist and tender rather than crumbly. Choose an 8-inch pan for a thicker, taller result that resembles a cake slice and ensures even baking through the center. Let the cornbread cool just enough to set, then slice while still slightly warm to maintain softness and deliver a pleasing, cake-like bite every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.